This is not the most disgusting PC I've ever seen, but it is a Dell Optiplex 380, and it deserves to die at this point. So today we're going to clean it out by pressure washing it. That's right, an actual 1800 PSI pressure washer just blasts the crap out of the inside of this thing until it's perfectly spotless. And then in a few weeks from now, we'll find out if it still works. Well, from what I could tell, it has a Core 2 Duo E7500, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and I'm pretty sure the hard drive is dead, but it does boot Linux off of a thumb drive, so it does work. We know it works. Now we have to find out if pressure washing it will end its life. It's been in a shop all of its life, so like all of this is like oily, nasty dust. It looks so much worse on camera.
Yeah, it looks rough.
Alright, so let's take it out in the shop and pressure wash it. Oh man, it's gonna survive. Everything that we do, we can't kill anything. Alright, it's been 1 week. This thing is super freaking clean. We let it sit outside in a box truck over the week, so it was super dry here in Florida, and it sucked the moisture right out of this thing. Like, there is not a drop of water in here, and it is super clean. Like, get a close-up of that camera, maybe? Get a close-up of this camera? It is really freaking clean. So we're going to go ahead and find out if it still turns on after being blasted by like an 1800 PSI water cannon. Well, it just turned on. Well, it turned on, so that's a good sign. It smells like clean. Like, it's funny, it smells like just metal. Like, it doesn't smell like a PC anymore. Not that we even need to boot it into Windows. Windows, Mangiano. Hey, look, we have a post. Performing automatic IDE configuration. Oh, you. System battery voltage is low. Strike F1 key to continue. F2 to run setup utility. I wonder if the drive will start working. That would be funny if the drive came back. Just for no reason. Because that's one of the things that we didn't mind about this PC is, oh, if we kill it, you know, the drive's already dead. It's like maybe like an E7500, I think we said it was. Wait, what? Whoa! It's picking up the hard drive now. Did pressure washing fix the hard drive? What?
You pressure wash the controller and run it back.
Dude, it's Windows 7 Professional. All you guys can see it. This is 100% working. Wow. That's amazing. I expected it to work because, you know, we let it dry out for a week. The thing is spotless. Like, this is a brand new Dell Optiplex. You could sell this to someone as a brand new PC. Maybe clean up some of like the scuffing on the paint, but obviously a pressure washer isn't going to take that off. But wow, it actually didn't have to make that bootable of Manjaro after all.
What's next? We throw it in a washing machine?
Dun, 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 dun. I really want to put it in an actual dishwasher, but I don't think that will get it as clean as the pressure washing does. Like, the pressure washing, this thing is so freaking clean. Good lord. I mean, obviously you can see a little bit of corrosion on, like, some of the little pins that, like, connect the surface mount controllers. But, like, aside from that, I mean, that was probably all caked in, like, disgusting oily stuff anyway, so it kind of eats away at the surface. Like, even the power supply has, like, rust in, like, the bare metal parts that are bare metal because of, like, whatever etched away at it over the years, not because of whatever like, the water just caused the corrosion to start. But, like, this thing is so freaking minty. Wow. And it works. How about that? Alright, well, that's it. If you guys are just as surprised as I am that this thing works and then the hard drive somehow fixed itself, leave us a like. If you want to see more random PC cleanings in the future, get subscribed and leave us a comment on how you've cleaned your PC in the past. Thanks for watching and have a great day.